Got a good signal here. Found an old screw. And this is 21, 22. Okay. Oh, there we go. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. That is an old buckle. Now, won't it be very, very cool if there's something that was attached to that buckle? Woohoo! Happy days, 1800s, late 1800s. Another signal just where I got that buckle. (18, 19, 17). Good conductivity. Okay, we'll do the same thing, stop the video and we'll start it again when we find the target. Okay, let's see how we go. It's right there. Oh, just felt something. Oh, another snake buckle. And that's the other side of the one I just found. Oh, how good is that? Oh, you can tell I'm a little bit happy. Oh, what a ripper. Let's look at the depth of the hole. That's, just about a pointer deep. Oh, so stoked. Beautiful. Beautiful snake buckle. Thank you very much.